Today we are diving into a face-off between two solid budget contenders, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro and the Redmi Note 14. Both of these devices offer impressive specs for their price point, but they cater for slightly different audiences. So let's see how they stack up against each other. Starting off with the price, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro hangs around the $150 mark, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. In contrast, the Redmi Note 14 is priced at about $200, which aren't too far apart, but it is important to keep that in mind if you're making a decision based on budget alone. When it comes to displays, both devices deliver good quality for their price. The Spark 30 Pro boasts a 6.78 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling feel smooth and enjoyable, alongside a peak brightness of 1700 nits. It is bright enough for outdoor use, which is great. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 14 also features a 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, but slightly higher peak brightness at 1800 nits. However, this minor difference is not a deal breaker. Both displays are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is crucial for durability. Now let's talk performance. The Spark 30 Pro is powered by the Helio G100 octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM and a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. It handles gaming reasonably well, giving you a lag-free experience in titles like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile at low to medium settings. Meanwhile, the Redmi Note 14 houses a Helio G99 Ultra chipset, also with an octa-core CPU and a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. Here, it performs well for day-to-day tasks and handles gaming okay, but starts showing signs of struggle with more demanding titles at higher settings. In terms of software, the Spark 30 Pro runs on Android 14 with iOS 14 with a ton of customization options. The Redmi Note 14, on the other hand, utilizes Xiaomi's HyperOS, which is also feature-rich, but can feel slightly less user-friendly at times, depending on your preference. Both offer plenty in day-to-day multitasking, but if customization is your jam, the Spark might have the upper hand with a lot more to offer, especially with AI, as the Redmi Note 14 only has Google Gemini. Let's shift gears to the cameras. Both devices come equipped with a 108 megapixels main sensor, but they perform quite differently when it comes to image quality. The Spark 30 Pro's camera seems a tad underwhelming, especially when zooming in. Tecno claims a 3x lossless zoom, but it doesn't feel like it with actual use. The photos can look nice at first, but quickly deteriorate once scrutinized, and it lacks consistency. However, it shoots videos at 2K resolution with image stabilization, compared to the Redmi Note 14, which shoots videos at 1080p resolution without image stabilization. In contrast, the Redmi Note 14 also delivers good enough images for a budget device, but does not overstate its capabilities. Its 108 megapixel sensor manages to take decent shots, though not exactly groundbreaking. The selfie camera on the Redmi Note 14 should be better with its 20 megapixels, while the Spark 30 Pro has a 13 megapixels shooter. But I actually prefer the output from the Tecno Spark 30 Pro. So if selfies matter to you, the Note 14 may edge out here on paper, while I personally prefer the Spark 30 Pro. Now, battery life is crucial, and here is where the Redmi Note 14 shines slightly brighter with a 5500 mAh battery compared to the Spark 30 Pro's 5000 mAh. Both pack a punch with fast charging, but the Note 14 gives you a few extra hours of use, making it better suited for heavy users or those who forget to charge their phones regularly. Both devices have unique aesthetics. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro has a sleek design and a lightweight feel that is great in hand. Its in-display fingerprint sensor is responsive, while its circular camera module is a standout. However, it's primarily made of plastic, which can raise durability concerns, even though Tecno advertises it to be a tank. The Redmi Note 14, while also made of plastic with an aluminum frame, feels more refined, but some may find its design played out and lacking innovation. They both have dual speakers for surround and are both IP54 certified for dust and water, and they both come equipped with an IR blaster for remote controls. One thing to note is that the Redmi Note 14 can only support either a dual SIM setup or a single SIM and an SD card, while the Tecno Spark 30 Pro supports both a dual SIM setup and an SD card. In summary, both the Tecno Spark 30 Pro and the Redmi Note 14 have their merits. If you're looking for great customization, a responsive display, and a decent gaming performance, including a variety of AI assistants, the Spark 30 Pro is a solid choice at its price. However, the Redmi Note 14 only boasts slightly better battery life and competitive camera performance, even if it feels a bit mundane design-wise. At the end of the day, if you can stretch your budget a little, the Redmi Note 14 is a very capable device, but I'd say save yourself the extra $50 and get the Tecno Spark 30 Pro. I promise you won't be missing out on anything. If these two don't do it for you, check out my review on the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. At this point, all that is left is for you to hit the subscribe button and leave this video a like. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again, bye bye.